lovelies, hope you're all doing amazing. My name is Fobeth and welcome to my life. Today we are preparing this delicious and quick pasta. Yum. So make sure you subscribe, like and leave your comments down below. We begin with our onions. Actually, I don't like to take you through the cutting process, but these are my onions. I just dropped in my garlic. I'm going to use this pasta sauce. If you don't have pasta sauce, you can use your fresh tomatoes. Okay guys, how do you like your pasta? Do you like it with cream or just with pasta sauce? Please leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know, guys. So this is chili and fresh ginger. So after this, I'm going to use my curry powder. Yeah, I use my curry powder to season it. And once this is done, I'm going to add my capsicum, yellow, green and red. Then I chopped also my carrots, so they're all like in a shredded form because I'm using this long pasta. And I made my chicken. I cooked it in my air fryer, so you can see. I'll also add it, then turn. After I turn, I'm going to put in my cream. I'm using cream for this recipe. If you don't want cream, you can just make it like that. And if you also cannot access cream, you can also use some milk. Milk will also work for you. Okay, you don't have to worry about the cream. Milk can also do the same thing. So that's it. I'm going to add in my pasta. I boiled it and it's ready. I don't like to take you guys through all those long processes of boiling pasta, cutting vegetables. You all know that, right? So this is it. It was already cooked and boiled, so this is it. You just mix and leave it to simmer for some time. Once it's done, then you serve. You're ready to go. Look at that beauty. It's all looking beautiful and delicious. Yes. And one scoop for my darling subscribers. And you who haven't subscribed, you're missing these scoops. Please make sure you subscribe. Keeps me motivated and your support means a lot to me. Please don't leave without subscribing. I love you and God bless you.